Hi everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. The name Mark Cuban is a familiar one to many, especially to investors. Mark Cuban successfully created a legacy thanks to his smart and unique business decisions. According to Forbes, as of September 2021, his legacy has built him up a net worth of approximately $4.5 billion. Cuban is also known to support startups and other business ventures that have great potential to grow in the future market. So, when he speaks, people are bound to listen. Crypto enthusiasts and the Cardano community are going to be thrilled to know that lately, Cuban has been thinking and talking about Cardano. In fact, he even leaked some very interesting information about the ADA token. What does this mean for Cardano? And is it possible that a collaboration between Cuban and Cardano might be in the pipeline? In today's video, we're going to be talking about Mark Cuban and the things he has to say about Cardano. This is a video you definitely don't want to miss out on. What would happen if Mark Cuban implements Cardano into several of his big businesses, such as the basketball team, the Dallas Mavericks, for payment of things like sports merchandise? We would see the price of Cardano skyrocket. He's already using Dogecoin and is looking at the crypto coin Polygon as well, and has already made an investment in both. So, what has he said now about Cardano? You better stick around until the end, as we're going to cover all the different aspects of Cardano, the potential partnership between Cuban and the crypto network, and what that might mean for the future prices of ADA. Before we begin, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our new information in the world of investing. Let's get started, and first take a look at where Cardano currently stands and the price predictions it has for 2021 and the years to come. The crypto market's seen its fair shares of ups and downs, and this has been no different in 2021. For Cardano's ADA, we've seen the price move from a mere $0.2 to an all-time high, breaking the $3 mark. At the moment, with China's current crackdown on crypto, Cardano's price is sitting at around the $2.15 mark. However, Cardano's bright future is nearly inevitable, according to the price predictions of Wallet Investor. Wallet Investor is experiencing the price of the ADA token to continue to move up, as they believe that ADA's growth is a sure thing. Their experts have predicted that ADA's value is going to expand to a range of approximately $3.6 to $4.5 by 2024. And that's great news for the Cardano community and anyone thinking about Cardano as a potential investment. Trading Beasts also maintains a positive outlook on the future of Cardano. The price predictions on their website show an expected fluctuation between $1.5 and $2 for the token throughout 2022, but will continue to rise to as much as $2.5 in 2023 and even $5 by the end of 2024. That year's looking like it's going to be very profitable for Cardano, and it's a good sign for long-term holders. Digital Coin Price, another price prediction website, also confirms that ADA's price will continue to increase in 2021. Reports on the future show that boosts in performance, scalability, and security for the Cardano network are surely going to draw in more investors. The website predicts that the Cardano price may sit at around the $4.5 mark in 2025 and hopefully go as high as $8.93 in 2028. Now, going back to Mark Cuban, you might ask, what does Cuban have to do with Cardano? Well, the major thing here is that Cuban definitely knows his way around businesses, investments, and great financial returns. So when he talks about Cardano and takes the crypto assets seriously, investors will be wise to do the same. Let's look at Cuban's success over the course of his career. Cuban successfully created his legacy during the boom of the dot-com era. Micro Solutions, his first company, was an early proponent of technologies such as CompuServe, Lotus Notes, and Carbon Copy. The company grew its revenue to over $30 million. While this was an amazing feat for his company, it seems small in comparison to his next venture, AudioNet. AudioNet was an online webcasting site which later became Broadcast.com and sold to Yahoo for a whopping $5.7 billion. Cuban also currently holds the award on the Guinness Book of World Records for the largest single e-commerce transaction. For the time, he purchased a Gulfstream 5 jet for over $40 million through the internet in late 1999. These are not all of Cuban's successes, but they definitely show that he knows what he's doing. So in addition to all the positive news and gains surrounding Cardano this 2021, comes information and support from Cuban, which was seen earlier this May. Back in May, Cuban sent out a tweet to the ADA founder, Charles Hoskinson, and he asked what ADA could be used for. Hoskinson was quick to jump in on the conversation and said that Cuban had opened up and sent in 2 replies. The first reply was, "Okay, we have 5 million students in Ethiopia, thousands of assets issued on Cardano, a nice DApp ecosystem brewing for smart contract launch, a new VC model with Catalyst, huge community." This was then followed by another short pitch aimed to woo Cuban. Hoskinson said, "We rebuilt the entire smart contract model. It took 4 years to do it, but it's necessary if you actually want security and scale. No more DOA hacks, less off-chain code. Consistent operating cost." Things became more interesting after Hoskinson's tweets because not only did he limit himself to a few words, but he actually took a break from his vacation at the time to make a 12-minute video to highlight all the great things about Cardano. In that video, he discussed how they will be onboarding billions of users into the ecosystem and how they can also provide a sustainable financial operating system. Not only that, but the Cardano project also aims to be multidisciplinary, meaning that they will expand and grow across industries and different fields of research. Was the video aimed at wooing Cuban? It has been no secret that Hoskinson has been trying to get Cuban to join in on Cardano, so it isn't far-fetched to believe that Hoskinson might have published the video aimed at Cuban after their short Twitter exchange. Did this hit the spot for Cuban? Well, in the video, Hoskinson was able to give a direct answer to the question Cuban had posed in the first tweet. Regarding the daily uses of Cardano's ADA, Hoskinson said, "You can issue assets, you can buy wine, you can stay at hotels in $50,000 hotels. Billions of dollars in ADA are moving on a daily basis, changing hands between people, unlike Ethereum." The Twitter exchanges and this quick video release created high expectations in the crypto community. Maybe a deal between Cuban and Cardano was in the works. And if so, what would that mean for the price of ADA? Do you think it's possible that a deal could happen between the two? Or is there something already in the works? Let us know in the comments below. And before we continue, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn your notifications on. Around the same time, Cuban received a message from one of his social media followers. The follower suggested that ADA could be used to purchase goods at the Dallas Mavericks. This received a lot of positivity from Cuban, and he said yes, Cuban could be used, provided the payment processor BitPay accepts it. Cardano currently sits at $2.15, but should it be onboarded by BitPay and increase its usability, it's got the potential to spike. On the surface, one might think of the reply as just a bit of a theoretical situation. However, if you look a bit closer, it actually seems like leaked information regarding Cardano. Note that the Dallas Mavericks are Cuban's NBA team, which already uses Dogecoin as a form of payment. Dogecoin can definitely stand on its own, but Cardano's ADA represents the next curve in the technology. Looking at this, it definitely seems like Cuban is seriously considering onboarding ADA for daily usage. Now, ADA is one of the first in line, and it's showing us what's new in the third generation of blockchains, and they're all able to support all types of projects that range from DeFi to NFT creation. It even offers developers a freer and more liberal environment to design, develop, and create pretty much whatever they want. Cardano definitely has serious advantages over its peers such as Ethereum, including a 2-layer architecture structure that allows for better scalability and a greater deal of speed. Cardano has the capability to process approximately 257 transactions per second, which is an amazing feat compared to Ethereum's 5 per second. Cardano is definitely and will be one of the fastest networks on the scene, which is also capable of supporting far more diverse projects and complex processors. There's no doubt denying that ADA is also an upgrade compared to Dogecoin, and this is an upgrade that Cuban may not want to ignore any longer. The month of September 2021 also saw the integration of Cardano's Alonzo hard fork. The Alonzo hard fork is a long-awaited upgrade, and with the launch of smart contracts on the Cardano network and the first fully public mainnet to facilitate decentralized finance. Cuban's love of decentralized finance, or DeFi, goes hand in hand with his love for blockchains, like Cardano, that are able to support smart contracts. DeFi services have built an entire financial infrastructure on top of the blockchain, and the services also use smart contracts in creating protocols. In other words, the protocols are actually replacing certain financial services that exist in ways that are more transparent and interoperable. With that in mind, and Cardano's current price, we might expect to see a boom in the months and years to come. It may reach $4, $5, $10, $25, and maybe even $100 in the future. Cuban's tweets and statement about Cardano show how impressed he is with the coin. For a multi-billionaire with a great legacy behind him, his stance on Cardano shouldn't be taken lightly. With all the steps and projects that Cardano is working on at the moment, and in the future, especially the smart contracts functionality, minimal transaction fees, and a highly reduced carbon footprint, it's highly possible for Mark Cuban to strike a partnership with the network. Cardano remains one of the most watched cryptocurrencies on the crypto network, and we can expect great things from it in the future. Will Cuban actually partner with Cardano? If so, what potential all-time highs might we see from the crypto asset? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for staying with us until the end, and we hope you enjoyed the video. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.